All right, y'all, welcome back. We on another mission today. Just checking out a few things on my personal car. There's something I want to show y'all. This is real simple. I figured a lot of you may or may not know. A while back I had some issues with alternator and stuff like that. It went out on me. This is a 2002 Honda Accord. Nothing special, but it is a one owner. I'm gonna show y'all real quick how we can determine if our alternator is charging like it's supposed to. A lot of the old timers, they reach over there to the battery and whatnot and take the battery positive off and try it. Sometimes, most of the time, they will stay running, but some of the newer ones will cut off. I'm gonna show you a simple way that you can check to see if your alternator's charging. All you need is just a screwdriver. There's the alternator right there. If the alternator's charging, it should magnetize to this pulley. And as you can tell, it's charging. I'll hold it still one more time so y'all can see it right here real good. See, it's pulling it towards the pulley right now. That right there is the simplest way to check your alternator. Just figured I would show that. Had a few people ask me about it. I just figured I would pass that information along. Just a screwdriver is all you need. So yeah, there you have it. Appreciate y'all watching, and we will catch y'all on the next one. Also, I went and picked up my trailer for my quads. My wife's got some flowers on it and whatnot. This is a nice 5x8, all four sides lay down. You can put a pallet on it. I really like that. Really good quality. Really good quality. These sides, all you gotta do is just undo the clips right here. You can lay down and slide a pallet right on it. So yeah, like I said, I just figured I'd show that to y'all. Hopefully you get what I'm talking about. Like I said, you can do the battery cable, but some of these newer ones will not stay running no matter what. So there you have it. See you in the next one.